This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Frank Trigger. Don't miss your opportunity to see this quality built ranch home in desirable Lagomar. Light and bright entryway has a detailed glass front door with sidelights and ceramic tile flooring. Open floor plan with 4 bedrooms on the first floor. Gracious first floor primary suite with vaulted ceiling and walk-in closet. Plenty of space in the primary bathroom includes double vanity, ceramic tile surround tub and lots of natural light. Elegant formal dining room with double tray ceiling, attractive crown molding and detailed pillars. The family room has vaulted ceiling, a gas fireplace with tile surround and built-ins. Eat-in kitchen includes ceramic tile flooring and Corian countertops. 5th bedroom over the garage wired for surround sound. Utility room with cabinets. Oversized garage with built-in cabinetry. Relax on the rear deck overlooking the backyard. Nearby to multiple community parks, golf courses, Sandbridge Beach, bases, all the shops and restaurants of Red Mill and much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Frank Trigger at 757-470-1139.